And from time to time we had very strong earthquakes in our country during the centuries, and some of our capitals were destroyed by earthquake. This earthquake, the last one, the strongest one, took place in 907 of December of 1988. Vanadzor at that time was very developed town with several factories. The second chemical factory was here, and especially it was the industry was developed here, heavy industry. But in this town, earthquake, it was took place in very interesting way, not in the whole town, by directions. And you can see, for example, over there on the right hand side, some multi-storied buildings from Soviet period. Some of them they survived, some of them they were not destroyed, some of them inside part were destroyed, outside walls were standing. But not in all parts of this town was the earthquake. It's interesting, the construction of the city. In the middle, where is the gorge, mostly are the factories, and the houses and buildings are on the both sides, on the hills, on the mountains. And the middle part of the town, with the factories, plants, this part was more destroyed by the earthquake. Before earthquake, the population of Vanadzor, by the way, at that time, the name of this town was Kirovakan, by the name of one of the leaders of Soviet period, Kirov. And the population was 150,000. Now the population of this town is less than 70,000. Many people after the earthquake, not only from this town, from the zone of earthquake, they left these territories because they afraid, because they have seen such a terrible things, and they left these territories. But in fact, before it was very nice town, very green, because it is between the mountains with forests. But now the factories, they don't work, of course, because the main part of these factories were destroyed. For example, chemical factory of Vanadzor, it was very famous, and they were produced here fertilizers and at the same time synthetic stones, synthetic semi-precious stones. For example, synthetic colors, which were used in jewelry, and at that time we exported all these stones to different countries where jewelry was very developed. Here there are several textile companies. For example, one of them you can see on the right hand side, Gloria. It's a textile company, but you can see they are not so big. For example, during the Soviet period, our factories and plants were very huge. Now you can see another building. Outside walls are standing, but inside everything was destroyed. Now they are starting to renovate. Another such a building is on the right. On the left you will see Vanadzor. Vanadzor.
Vanadzor.
It means the gorge. Many cities, the names of the cities and villages were changed after the independence.
וואו, 14 שניות.
Yeah, and you can see, of course, all buildings are built from tuff, pink tuff, because when we'll return from Gyumri to Yazidi village, we'll pass Artik, which is famous by pink tuff. Most of pink tuff is from that area, Artik, because around Mount Aragats are the stone tuff in different parts of different color. Artik is famous by its pink tuff, and you will see all buildings, everything is from pink tuff is there.